My name is Emil, I'm from company STREICHER, and today I would like to show you different options and features of our new configurator STREICHER Workspace. You can find this configurator on our webpage scubechamber.com. You can choose from different options. You can configure just a vacuum chamber on its own. You can choose from already pre-configured systems, or you can start your own configuration. Here you can see different options which we have predefined for you. You can choose it and only adapt it into your exact needs. Or you can start your own configuration, just simple insert your email, you will receive a link, and after you will select the link, your own configuration starts. Just a little bit longer, you can start with your own configuration. Now you see how configurator looks like. On the top, there are different steps. You can easily jump from different steps. You don't need to follow from 1 to 7. On the left side, you have some tips which we have prepared. And on the bottom, you can see main options which are different for each step. You can choose these profiles and you can easily rename them. If you will write a different name, just press enter and the name is saved. You can have up to 5 different configurations. Please know that anytime you can finish the configuration and we will help you with the final specification for your project. You do not need to fill each information. On the right menu, you can find different details. They are also different for each category. Now we are in the area definition in point 1. Please know that there is no button back, so save your project frequently. Here you can see how the room is defined. First, you are starting just with 2D view on the top. You can easily change individual length. You can just type in the length which you want. Or you can very easily just move individual walls. You can make them longer, shorter, as you wish. You can even draw additional lines. So you can make some kind of rooms within rooms. It's often used if you want to divide clean room from your gray area. You can also let us know if you have any limitation regarding doors width, if you have stairs for installation or any additional comment. Now we have a room which we like and we can place some furniture. You can select this furniture from the top menu or you can go with continue. It's pretty flexible. You can choose different furnitures which we have defined. You can place it, you can change the width or depth, you can move the furniture around, or you can rotate it by left clicking on this yellow arrow. If you want to take a look around the room, you can use left click and you can rotate your view. With a right click, you can move things around, and with a scroller, you can make things bigger and smaller. If you want to place additional table, you can place them next to each other, or you can even make them stackable, so they can stand on each other, or they can be inserted in each other. So there are some basic options. If you want, you can lock them in place, so you will not move them, let's say, not on purpose during the configuration. Now we have placed all furniture which we like into our workspace and we can define chamber. We can simply select new chamber. You can choose from different shapes. It depends really on you and your process. As a manufacturer, we can do both standard chambers or really custom-made chambers. Now you have a chamber and you can place it on any position. You can adjust chamber dimensions, simply insert the dimension and the chamber will be updated in real time. You can change the chamber position even from the ground, and you can move the chamber around. It's often good not to place the chamber into final position. It's often good to place different components and then fix the position because otherwise you will move things around quite often. You can even make detailed 3D configuration, which will allow you to insert more information about the chamber. But this is up to you. You can even stay with the basic configuration and we still can help you to finally configure the system up to your specifications. Now we have a chamber in a good position and we have locked it into place. So we can start with vacuum performance definition. You can open this interactive menu and you can define your main process parameters. On the right side, then there are some recommendations from us based on the volume and vacuum level. In the end, it may be needed to make some vacuum simulation, but this is maybe a first estimation what may be needed for this application. You can rotate each component, you can choose different height, so you can really configure your vacuum infrastructure. Now we have all components in our room. We have turbomolecular pump, roughing pump, we have electrical cabinet, some kind of interface, HMI, we have water cooling. This is placed directly in the room. We can easily place it behind the wall, so it represents some kind of gray area. And now we can speak about temperature management. Similar settings, different options. We can integrate inner shrouds for space simulation chamber. You can define different temperatures which you like, and you can also, based on the temperature range, define preferred systems. You can choose recommended systems, or here you have an overview of possible systems in this area. And similarly, you can place each system into your workspace and find best possible position. Now we have placed the thermal unit into our workspace along with our external chiller. And we see that we do not have enough space, so we can really go to area definition. You can select move and you can make the room a little bit bigger. Simply select the left button and make the chamber more in the middle of the room. And go back to temperature management. Nice. So we can continue to accessories. We have defined some accessories which are often requested. You can read some basic information about them, but please reach out and we can really explain all necessary details during a short video call. Or if you are missing any option, please write it into comments. You can define different electrical features, any additional functions which you are missing from these accessories. Now we have a system which we like and we want to finalize the configuration. You can go to continue, and here are some basic information which will help us to contact you. You can even upload some attachments, you can make a comment, and you can finalize the configuration. After this point, you will receive an automatic email which will make a summary. If you want to make any changes on the configuration, you can just go to recovery link which you received before the configuration started, and you can make any modifications or adjustments. So I hope that this review helped you, and I hope that we can together find a good collaboration.